In this video, we will learn how to factor a trinomial. So an essential question would be, how does factoring a trinomial relate to multiplying binomials? So let's see what we're talking about. We're multiplying these two binomials, x plus 2 times x plus 3, and the multiplication or product is x squared plus 5x plus 6, as you can tell from the multiplication done here. But there is a relationship between the numbers that we see here in each binomial, the constant terms in each binomial, 2 and 3, and the constant of the product. So when we multiply those two constants in each binomial, we get the constant of our answer. If we now think about the sum of those two constants, then it'll be the coefficient of the linear term or the term in the middle when we write it in standard form. So we have a conclusion here, and that is you can factor a trinomial. See, pretend that you're going backwards from x squared plus 5x plus 6, and you want to factor it as x plus 2 times x plus 3. You can think of factoring that trinomial as the multiplication of two binomials in which the p times q, the numbers that you put in each one of the binomials, the constants in each binomial, when you multiply them, you should get the constant of the trinomial, and when you add them, you should get the number, the coefficient of the linear term. So let's keep that in mind, and let's see how we could factor x squared plus 5x plus 6. So first, we'll find factors of 6. And 6 has two pairs of factors, 1 and 6, because 1 times 6 equals 6, and 2 and 3, because 2 times 3 equals 6 also. But if we analyze the sum of those two factors is 7, whereas the sum of 2 and 3 is 5. So that's the number that we see in the middle. So we can say that x squared plus 5x plus 6 can be factored. Notice x squared, and there is 5x, and there are 6 units, and we can group those tiles in a rectangle in which the length of the rectangle is x plus 3, and the width of the rectangle is x plus 2. Remember that in a tile labeled x, length is x and width is 1. So this will be x plus 1, which is x plus 2, and in the other side x plus 1 plus 2 plus 3, because there are 3 ones right there. So we can do it in any order. It won't change my answer, so we can actually factor that way. Now, if we wanted to check, we can always use multiplication to do it. If we multiply it, we know that our answer is correct. A very important example. Please write it down and try to make some notes. I'm counting on you guys will try something before you check. And with that in mind, let's create the other video.